12 minutes. Wow. It's almost ready, guys. 1 second. Oh, remove the keys from the position. Okay. Okay. Insert key, turn it on. Key programmed. Hold on, hold on.
I can't see.
Do you see it now? See it now? Okay, 1 second. 1 second. All right, we gotta wait 45 seconds. It's all done. Let me make sure it starts, and then I give it to you. You can give it to the customer, okay? You have to wait 1 minute. Can you count to 20? Let me hear you count. 1, 2. Customer the key.
Legit, man. You're a quick one. Thank you so much.
There you go.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah.